Hi guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 6. I've already been on the walk, which is what today's video is about, but I totally forgot to do an intro. So here's the intro right now. I hope you enjoy.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light.
If you live in the Cambridge area in New Zealand, come to this wetlands walkway. That's where we're about to go. I just did my thumbnail. Right, here we go. You're literally going downhill until you get to the thing. This is the part I don't like because it's got a very steep hill. So you have to walk very slow. Be careful unless you might hurt yourself again. Oh, I don't like this.
Do you know this would have kind of been a good place to be?
Careful.
You know?
No. Careful. Don't hurt yourself, just walk slowly.
This is like the worst place to walk down because it's so steep. This would be a good place to ride a bike path.
That would be pretty hard. And now we're going
Brittany, can you stand here?
Oh, and she wants to get a photo.
Stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light. While we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before.
So you know when you're on camera and it says portrait, when you take them it actually blurs out the background. That one there.
Yeah, I know that. Keep going. I hate going downhill. It's the worst. I'm going to try and hopefully my phone doesn't flop off this.
I might even get you to take some pictures of me, even though I look like a scruffy mess.
Oh, I look scruffy.
I wish they had like two different pathways.
Oh look, there's a path down there.
Yeah, but it's a dead end. Look, you can see where it ends.
I know.
It looks like it goes further, but it doesn't.
We're almost at the little area. Oh, you okay?
Nearly injury number 2. Did you get that on camera?
Can we hold hands?
I'm okay.
No, you scare me.
You'd be cool if you got that on camera though.
I probably did. Well, you would be wrong. You didn't get that on camera.
So, whoops. It's okay, I only slipped on the stick, it's fine.
I have to watch you because you're a worry wart.
Oh, it's so close to my phone, but who cares?
Let's be honest here, I haven't gone on a walk in a long time. This is like a 10-minute walk. See, look, we're there. I got a photo up here once.
Really?
Yeah, you told me to stand up there. Alright, I'm going to get some scenery pics and you'll see them at the end of this vlog. Oh, it feels like it's spitting.
But a rain won't hurt you. Do you know why these grid bits are on here? I think it's for like grip.
Mm.
So you go like a good grip.
Oh, it smells like dead rats out here too.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't smell like it. It just smells like wet forest.
Alright, I'm going to go get some photos at this bridge now. Actually, that would be... I could totally reenact our intro I did.
You can do some video.
Alright, I'll be back. Okay guys, I just had to make sure no one was coming. Look, he's a little blue ladybug. It's so cute. And if we be quiet, you can hear the waterfall. Listen. Can you hear it? Yeah. Alright, let's keep walking. Look at all this nature. Are we going to turn around and come back through?
Yeah.
I think that's better, the way to do it, because you can do it more time. in the pond.
That's one of my favourite ones.
Yeah. I wonder if there's fish in there. Sorry, I got turned off filming because there were people coming. And now there's another person coming. There's another person coming. Sorry, I just get very shy when people are coming. Why are we going up here? I thought we were turning back around.
Yeah, we're going to let them go through first.
What are you doing? You're on camera, say cheese.
Hi.
She's doing something. I'm going back over here. I'm sweating. Unless you know my favourite area of this area. You know my favourite area is this part right here. Because there's water right here. Come over here. Trying to make a long enough video like around this area, so when I go back home,
Should we just sit on the edge?
so when I go back home I do not want to be filming because we're not doing anything interesting today. We're not going out. Tomorrow we are going out. It's Tuesday tomorrow, so I will be filming going shopping at the warehouse and all that, so stay tuned. Today, by the way, is Vlogmas day 6, so I've so far made it past my goal of going past 5 days. So Elise, did you know, Elise, I've officially gone past my goal of 5 days?
Really?
Yep. Because today's the December 6th, and I can usually only do until December 5th. I want to get it on film. What was that? Okay, show me. Show my camera. Hold on, pass your phone here. Look.
Dealing with your face.
I don't know.
You're like
you've
seen a ghost.
No, it was the face of she keeps taking photos of me. Pond. I'm not gonna go down there. Alright, I'm gonna keep filming. So, I don't know how long this video is right now. I got you past Brittany. It is 9 minutes. Put my jersey on because I hated being around my waist, but I've been walking around and I don't want to.
Come stand next to me. It's going to have a filter on it so we can do one together.
In this next clip that you're about to see, I face my fear. And as you guys know, I don't like filming in public where strangers can see me filming. Well, in this clip, a guy walks past and I'm filming and I don't stop the video. So I classify that as facing my fear. Watch this.
Keep looking away. Go quick. Oh, we'll let the gentleman go past then.
Hi again.
How are you?
Good. You good?
Yeah, I do a nice loop.
Pardon?
I do a nice loop down here.
Same.
Out of the sun.
Oh, good idea.
Guys, I just faced my fear. That guy walked past and I continued filming. Oh my gosh. Mainly because I just completely forgot about the phone.
I like the filters on this phone. It's got cute filters.
Burns everywhere.
Yesterday when you were filming, I think the other day when you were filming baking, when you walked out of the room to go somewhere, did you pause the camera?
No, I forgot. I forgot it was filming.
Did you see what I did when I walked past?
No.
Because I literally walked past and I went...
I think there's
and
a
then I
fantail in there.
Oh, it is a little fantail.
Oh, go get it.
Hi.
Can you see?
Fantails are very friendly.
Hi. Hi, gorgeous.
Oh,
Come here.
It's being cheeky because fantails are one of those kind of birds that love attention and kind of...
It's around in this area here. A fantail is a New Zealand bird, eh?
You want to make your YouTube debut? Oh, there it goes. I think fantails are honestly my favourite New Zealand bird. I don't know why, they're just so cute. They're like little, but they've got these gorgeous wee long tails.
Hi. Oh, you're friendly.
Oh. Tail. How can nobody not love a fantail? I mean, hey, you agree? You say we're adorable.
Is that cute?
You say we're super cute.
There's a little fantail around here and it's been cheeky.
Good, yes.
It's up there now.
Oh, you're fast.
Try and get a photo. You can do it, Rush.
Filming me.
Yes, because you're beautiful.
Hello.
And Elise. We're done. That was the end of this video. Hopefully it was semi-long, at least about 7 or 8 minutes. But that was the end of Vlogmas Day 6. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.